Would you like to attract what you want into your life quicker and faster than you ever have, just using one simple phrase? You just say this phrase, and what you want will show up into your life quicker and faster. If that sounds awesome, stay with me. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. You're way more powerful than you think you are, and let me show you one phrase that you can use to tap into that true power. Anything I want, I speak into existence. I always win. Comment it down below. Anything that I want, I speak into existence. I always win. You gotta understand, you might watch this and you be, oh, no, that's stupid. Say something different, or affirmation. You gotta understand, you have 65,000 thoughts in a day. According to psychologists, 65,000 unconscious thoughts, meaning they're habitual, that your thoughts are rarely original. What they are habitual thoughts that you've thought for a while, so they've become automatic to happen in your life. Now, psychologists tell us 70% of those thoughts are negative and redundant. So we have 65,000 thoughts in a day approximately, and about 3/4 of them are negative and redundant. It's like a virus playing on your computer all the time, limiting the production of the actual technology of the supercomputer, just limiting the actual computing power that it has, but having it keep going because it's habit that it has been going, and instead we erase the virus and create a new program on the thing, and we're like, nah, I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna let this virus run because that sounds silly to reprogram it. That's what an affirmation is. It's you reprogramming the software of your brain, of the most powerful supercomputer in the world, which is your mind. Your mind has the ability, any image that you hold into your mind, that you close your eyes and you imagine. Imagine your dream life. Imagine your dream romantic relationship, your dream career, your dream house, your dream car, whatever it is that you want out of your life, close your eyes and imagine it. That image, this supercomputer has the ability to create. You have billions of dollars within this ear and this ear. You have the ability to create any love, life, health, happiness, miracle, whatever you want. It's between here. But first you gotta change the old program. Most people say, I hope that, hopefully it'll work out. It seems like there's no good guys out there. It seems like there's no good girls out there. The economy, and I'm in debt, and my boss, I'm only making this much a week, an hour. I hope, I wish. No. Anything I want, I speak into existence. I always win. You are a magnet for winning. It's just that what's happened is the way that our magnetic power has been set up is that it's been programmed for mediocrity, because we inherit, our subconscious mind is programmed by the outside world, by outer influences. And if you look around, there's so much negativity happening all the time. Psychologists and scientists have now proved that a human brain can receive words or messages 40 decibels below earshot, below what you can consciously hear. Your brain and subconscious mind is still picking up 40 decibels below. That's absolutely crazy. Think about how many things are happening just below earshot that are negative. The news, the thing on this news station, this thing about the economy, you overheard this person complaining while you were on aisle 4 at the grocery store. On aisle 7, someone else was complaining about, have you seen the price of water lately? Just to get some spring water, and this is so expensive. And we hear these things just barely at the threshold of what we can consciously hear, and it's been programmed into you for years. It's not your fault that you haven't attracted the money you want, the love you want, that you haven't achieved all your goals. It's not your fault. It's just that there's an old virus that's been playing. So start affirming this with me. Comment it down below. And it sounds crazy, then it's about programming the subconscious. All of that being so, that's why I always say I brainwash myself before the world does. I'm not gonna let the world brainwash me, and you don't have to either. I've got a free success hypnosis down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. I've used it for 6 years. It's a hypnosis that's designed to reprogram the subconscious mind for success, for abundance, for prosperity, because those things will come to you automatically. How many people do you know that automatically attract crap into their life? Another thing to complain about, and another relationship that failed, and another person that took advantage of them, and another person they're mad at. They just attract it automatically and easily. Well, if you could do that for negative things, you could do it for positive things in your life too. That's why I say I always win. Anything I want, I speak into existence. Anything you want, you can speak it into existence. You can always win, and everyone around you can win too. Comment that down below. Anything I want, I speak into existence. I always win. Write it on a 3x5 card and carry the 3x5 card with you wherever you go. Get it programmed into your head. If you have 65,000 thoughts in a day, you should be saying this 1,000 times a day. Why is it that a chorus to a song gets stuck into your head? It's because you heard it and then you sang it a bunch of times. It got programmed. And similarly, so we have choruses outside of the new Drake song or whatever is going on. Outside of those things stuck in our head, outside of whatever the hit on the radio that starts playing in your head all the time, you have other choruses for other areas of your life stuck in your head. You have a financial chorus stuck in your head, and it might be a negative financial chorus. That's so expensive. If only I had more money. Rich people are greedy. You might have something about love and not being deserving of love, or relationships that treat you well playing in your head about not being good enough, smart enough, and it plays like a broken record. The way to get rid of that is to affirm. Anything I want, I speak into existence. I always win. Anything I want, I speak into existence. I always win. Doesn't that just feel good saying it? Go like this, put a smile on your face, have an amazing day, and know that when you move with total certainty that you can create the impossible, you start to move mountains. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Thank you for watching. Something amazing will happen to you today. Keep your eyes peeled for all the beautiful things out there in life. Remember, anything you want, you speak into existence. You always win. Carry that affirmation with you today. Something amazing will happen. Be sure, if you haven't yet, check out the Second Mind Neuroprogrammer piece of software we designed to literally rewire the brain, because when you have those thought patterns, the brain wires in a certain way. We created a piece of software designed to rewire it, and we get the craziest stories every day, because what's happened is you're rewiring your actual software of this supercomputer, and you can demo it for free. It's thesecondmind.com down below. Have a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, that's what notifies you for new videos. Hit the like button on this, because the more likes it gets, the more other people will see it, and the YouTube algorithm will share that. We're trying to spread as much love, positivity, optimism as possible. You can create what you want. Affirm it down below. Anything I want, I speak into existence. I always win.